the tank you've seen in movies? The one you controlled in video games? The massive machine slowly advancing through explosions? One of the most iconic symbols of modern warfare. Today we're talking about that tank, the M1 Abrams. But is it really as powerful as people say? Why is it so famous? And can it still change the rules of the battlefield today? Before we begin, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to support more content like this. Your support really helps us continue producing detailed military technology videos. Now let's begin. The story of the M1 Abrams goes back to the Cold War. The United States wanted a new generation main battle tank to counter the powerful tanks of the Soviet Union. The goal wasn't just to build a heavily armored vehicle, but to create a tank that was fast, powerful, and equipped with modern electronics. The result was the M1 Abrams, which entered service in the 1980s. One of the most unique features of the Abrams is its engine. While most tanks use diesel engines, the Abrams uses a gas turbine engine. This gives the tank strong acceleration and impressive performance. The Abrams can reach speeds of around 67 kilometers per hour, which is remarkable for a vehicle weighing over 60 tons. Looking at its main weapon, the Abrams typically carries a 120mm smoothbore cannon. This gun can fire armor-piercing rounds as well as multi-purpose ammunition. With modern rounds, the Abrams is a serious threat even at long distances. The Abrams also features secondary weapons. 7.62mm machine guns and a 12.7mm heavy machine gun provide close-range defense. This allows the tank to engage not only armored targets, but also infantry and light vehicles effectively. One of the most talked about aspects of the Abrams is its armor. Its composite armor structure and additional armor packages in some variants increase survivability. The front armor in particular is considered very strong. Because of this, the Abrams was long regarded as one of the hardest tanks to destroy. The tank's electronics are also highly advanced. Thermal imaging, laser rangefinder, and a modern fire control system allow the Abrams to maintain high accuracy even while moving. This provides a major advantage on the modern battlefield. The Abrams gained widespread attention during the Gulf War. U.S. forces used these tanks in Iraq. Long-range firepower, strong armor, and advanced targeting systems gave the Abrams significant advantages. This conflict greatly boosted its reputation. Later, the Abrams was used in Iraq and Afghanistan. However, these conflicts also revealed some weaknesses. Its heavy weight and high fuel consumption became disadvantages, especially in urban warfare. Now let's look at the advantages of the Abrams. Powerful 120mm main gun advanced fire control system, strong composite armor, high accuracy, modern sensors, strong acceleration, effective long-range firepower, but there are disadvantages as well. Very heavy tank, high fuel consumption, expensive maintenance, limited maneuverability in urban combat. Large silhouette increases visibility, not invulnerable to modern anti-tank missiles. Today, the most modern versions of the Abrams continue to be upgraded. New armor packages, active protection systems, and improved electronics are being added. But the battlefield is also changing. Drones, loitering munitions, and top attack weapons are creating new and serious threats for tanks. Tanks are no longer only attacked from the front, but also from above. This is forcing changes in armor design and battlefield tactics. I covered this topic in more detail in another video on my channel, so you can check that out as well. Because of this, some experts say the era of tanks is coming to an end. Others argue that modern tanks like the Abrams will still play a critical role on the battlefield. So, what do you think? Is the Abrams still one of the most powerful tanks in the world? Or is it becoming more vulnerable in modern warfare? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Like the video and subscribe to support the channel. Your support helps me continue creating detailed military technology content.